When I was growing up, my father said something to me I will never forget. Son, when you were born, you cried while the world rejoiced. Live your life in such a way that when you die, the world cries while you rejoice. We live an age when we have forgotten what life is all about. We can easily put a person on the moon, but we have trouble walking across the street to meet a new person. We can fire a missile across the world pinpoint accuracy, but we have trouble to keeping a date with our children to go out. We have email, fax machine and digital phones so that we can stay connected, and yet we live in a time where human beings have never been less connected. We have lost touch with our humanity. We have lost touch with our purpose. We have lost sight of things that matter the most. And so as you are watching this video, I respectfully ask you, who will cry when you die? How many lives will you touch while you have the privilege to walk this planet? What impact will your life have on the generation follow you? And what legacy will you leave behind after you have taken last breath? One of lesson I have learned in my life is that if you don't act on life, life has a habit of acting on you. The days slip into weeks, the weeks slip into months, and the months slip into years. Pretty soon it's all over and you are left nothing with more than heart filled with regret over a life. There are many questions about life. How can I find greater meaning in my life? How can I make last contribution through my work? And how can I simplify so that I can enjoy the journey of life before it's too late? The answer of all these questions are: find your calling. I believe we all have special talents that are just waiting to be engaged in a worthy pursuit. We are all here for some unique purpose, some noble objective that will be allow us to manifest our higher human potential, while we at the same time add value to the lives around us. Find your calling doesn't mean you leave the job you now have. It simply means you need to bring more of yourself into your work and focus on the things you do the best. It means you have to stop waiting for other people to make the change you desire. And Mahatma Mahatma Gandhi noted. Be the change that you wish to see most in your world, and once you do, your life will change. So remember, who will cry when you die?